Indian Railways introduces innovative ideas and registered record landmark freight movement during this lockdown. Annapurna trains from north and Jai Kisan special train from south mark the beginning of long distance super heavy fast special freight trains. Indian Railway, in its endeavour to ensure transportation of essential items during the national lockdown, continues to deliver essential commodities like food grains through its freight service to strengthen government's effort in managing the challenges and adverse impact of coronavirus in the country. The union government has been focusing special attention to ensure that the supply chain of essential goods are maintained, besides ensuring that the farm produce is transported without hindrance within the state and interstate. Food grains have been transported even higher than the corresponding period, April period of the last year. More than 3.2 metric ton of food grains have been loaded between 1st April to 16th April this year, as compared to 1.29 metric ton in the same corresponding period last year. To ensure delivery of bigger volumes at fastest speed, Indian Railways have innovated by joining two freight trains together. Success stories and innovations have come from Northern Railways and South Central Railways. Northern Railways has formed 5,000 ton capacity food grain trains. 25 such Annapurna trains have been formed and run by Northern Railway up to 16th April. They covered the states like Assam, Bihar, Goa, Gujarat, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Manipur, Nagaland, Odisha, Tamil Nadu, Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal, and Mizoram. These long led long haul grain trains have gone up to New Bongaon also. Like Northern Railway, as part of this endeavor, now the South Central Zone of Indian Railway too has come up with a unique concept of running Jai Kisan special freight trains so as to ensure speedy delivery of food grains to different part of the country. Under this concept, two freight trains loaded from two different originating stations are clubbed at the nearest junction point and moved as a single train up to the common junction point of the destination stations, taking the advantage of path availability due to non-running of passengers carrying train. Under normal circumstances, one freight train containing 42 covered wagon loaded with food grains carries around 2600 tons. But in this new concept, two freight trains means 84 covered wagons with the 5200 tons capacity of food grains will be moved in a single path. This concept had drastically reduced the journey time of the freight trains to their respective destinations. The zone has started this concept by running two Jai Kisan special freight trains. The first train was moved from Dornakal Junction in Telangana on South Central Railway to Southern Railway by clubbing two food grain trains at Dornakal Junction. Similarly, the second Jai Kisan special train was also clubbed at Dornakal Junction in Telangana and moved in Southern Railway. Significantly, these trains have registered an average speed of 44 km per hour, fulfilling the objective of speedy movement of the goods and essential commodities. Maintaining country's supply chain was stiffer on account of tough working condition due to lockdown. A constant coordination for terminal release, labor availability with district magistrates and SPs at district level, state coordinating officers at apex level with MHA is being done by operating officers of the Indian Railways. A meticulous prior planning is being done with FCI for arranging destinations as per requirement in the state. In this lockdown period, moving staff from house to control and office is being done through emergency vehicle and workman special trains. The most important thing, that is the sanitization of control and other officers, is also being ensured so that staff feels safe and confident in working presently.